I'm going to make some hemp milk. Now you can use any nuts or seeds, but I've chosen hemp seeds today. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little water in my blender first, about a cup worth or so, just enough to cover the blades. And I have a high-speed blender, which really pulverizes it nicely. You can use a regular blender and then just strain it out when you're finished if you prefer. So I've got some water in there, and then I'm going to put about a cup worth of hemp seeds. And I like to add just a little splash of vanilla, a couple of pinches of cinnamon, and then for sweetness, I just use a couple of dates. You could also use a little honey or a few drops of a liquid stevia if you preferred. So then I'm going to put the lid on and give it a good blend. After that initial about 30 seconds of blending, then I'll add the rest of the water to bring it to the consistency I want. And I like it a regular milky consistency, so I'm going to add about 3 cups of water for every 1 cup of seed. And then we'll blend just a little bit longer. And voila, I have a quart of fresh-made nut milk. I can use it to make my overnight oats, my omega porridge. I could just put this in a jar and leave it in the refrigerator and have it for drinking. It's pretty easy.